First of all, go to your incognito tab, and incognito, type freenom, free FREENOM, and type freenom and press enter. So the first you would be getting, and you just type here anything. You can just type anything, name just that you want to put as your domain. So I'm just typing it as ABCDEF and just check availability. So here you're getting, yeah, this is available. So abcdefg.tk is available for free. Now what you have to do, just copy this from here, just copy this and paste it here, and just add .tk in front of that. So now check availability. So see, here it is selected, and just click checkout here. Just click checkout, and you would be directed to this, and here you can select your period, like for 1 month, or it's free up to 12 months, and after 12 months then you have to pay for that. So we can just keep it by default, that is 3 months at the rate free. So let's continue, and yeah, here you have to fill your email address. So guys, remember, here you have to fill your correct email address. Please don't mistake मत करना यहाँ पे. सो यहाँ पे लेट मी, मेरा तो ऑलरेडी अकाउंट बना हुआ है तो यहाँ पे लेगा नहीं, ऑल्दो आई विल जस्ट ट्राई विद माई डिफरेंट ईमेल. Okay, so verify my email address, and I would be getting an email out here. Yeah, this one. See, yeah, here is the email, and just click this link to verify your email. Just go here. Now a trick that you have to apply, and without this trick you won't be able to get your domain name as for free. So here you have to search for fake address generator, fake US address generator actually. So just go to this, and see, this is the address that you have to put in here. So for first name, just copy this, David, copy this and paste it here. For last name, just copy this, and paste it here. For company, set it at example company. For address line, just go here, and if you see, yeah, this is the address. Just copy this. Wait. Yeah, copy it and paste it here. Now zip code. So zip code is here. So I have cut koi nahi. Just paste it here. City is Battle Bureau. Don't know what's the city is. So copy, paste, and country is USA only. State, for state it is where it is, state Vermont, and just type Vermont. Yes, done. Phone number. So here is the phone number. Control-C. Just remember to delete this hyphens, and you can just select a password. click here and complete your order. Unable to verify you as a human, please try again later. What's that? Oh, come on. Okay, so you can see कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ हो चुका है, and just go to your client area from here, and in services click to my domains, and you can see this is the domain that you have registered. Just go so अभी इतना ही करना है आपको, बाकी I would be telling you